If you've ever thought about starting a business but your mind immediately goes to the spheres with strong competition, or you automatically think that you don't have any worthy ideas, then this video is definitely for you. We're going to discuss some profitable business ideas in the field of crypto and blockchain, which hopefully will open your eyes to completely new opportunities. My name is Nari, and today I'll be your host. So let's get started. Why crypto and why now? If you've been following the news over the past year, you know it's been rough for crypto enthusiasts. However, crypto adoption is still continuing. As of 2023, there are over 420 million crypto users worldwide. The underlying technologies are being used in so many different ways, from carrying fashion weeks to giving people electronic IDs. This tells us that the blockchain is here to stay. At the same time, its potential is so much wider that there are numerous ways to build business in Web3. Here are some examples. Participation in already existing projects. Let's first acknowledge that the cryptosphere is full of initiatives in which users are rewarded for their input. For example, in many projects, you can stake tokens. We talked more about this in this video, become node operators, or even share excess bandwidth for video streaming. Payment solutions. Blockchain can be used as a secure payment. That's why someone can create an online marketplace, for example. It would provide both customers and sellers with a secure and reliable payment system, and most importantly, ensure that the personal and financial information is protected. What's more, such a marketplace would resist fraud and hacking attempts much better. Blockchain can also allow to create impossible to alter or manipulate the records. Also, blockchain technology could allow the marketplace to simplify the payment process, so no third parties will be involved and the transaction costs will be much lower. AI-powered customer service. AI technologies can interact with customers, answer their questions, and help them with their personal needs. This can be applied in various industries such as e-commerce, healthcare, and banking. AI can also analyze customer data and identify trends, which helps with making business decisions. This technology has so many practical applications. Here's one example: an online language learning platform. It can use AI-powered chatbots to provide personalized instructions for learning a language and support to learners. The chatbot can also understand and respond to common language learning questions and, why not, concerns such as pronunciation, grammar, and so on. It could also analyze the learner's progress and provide feedback and suggestions for improvement. Real estate. Blockchain can be used even in such a tangible area as real estate. One potential business could be a platform for fractional ownership of properties. This platform would allow multiple investors to purchase and own a percentage of a property, meaning that users still put money into the profitable housing market, but the initial investment is so much lower compared to buying an actual house. Through the use of smart contracts, investors could even track their ownership stake in real time and receive dividends based on the property's performance. They could also easily buy and sell their shares on a secondary market without the need for a third party, brokers or lawyers. Supply chain management. Blockchain can create a transparent and a secure supply chain management system, and AI can optimize it, reduce costs, and, why not, improve delivery times. How it works? A solution can be created for large food and beverage companies that source ingredients from multiple suppliers and distribute products globally. This way, the companies can track every step of the process from farm to table. This can help ensure the authenticity of the ingredients, reduce the risk of fraud, and trace products. AI can be used to analyze the data generated by the blockchain and provide insights into the trends and patterns in the supply chain. For example, the company can use machine learning algorithms to predict demand and optimize inventory management, reducing waste and improving efficiency. Intellectual property protection. Blockchain technology can protect intellectual rights by creating a secure system for registering and verifying ownership. Here is an example of such a product. Say someone created a platform that utilizes smart contracts to facilitate the creation and registration of copyrighted works. This platform would allow content creators to easily register their original works, whether it's music or film or anything else, using blockchain. Once registered, smart contracts would ensure that their work is not duplicated or distributed without permission. The platform could incorporate AI too. It could be used to analyze and detect any instances of plagiarism or even infringement of copyrighted works, alerting content creators. Blockchain, cryptocurrencies, AI, and other new technologies have so much potential in terms of business, and we are still at the very beginning of their full-fledged introduction into our lives. Who knows, maybe your startup will become the next breakthrough. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button and the subscribe button below. We have loads of information on crypto and awesome ideas. See you soon.